Okay, today we will discuss DC response of an RC circuit. So, this is the RC circuit. Resistance and capacitance in this figure. The capacitor in the circuit is initially uncharged, right? And in the series with resistor. When the switch S is closed, this is the V, S is closed, then T is equal to, when S is closed, the T is equal to 0, right? So we can apply it, we can determine the complete solution for the current. So we can apply the KVL. We can apply the KVL in this circuit, right? Ri plus 1 upon C integral of it. This is the applied the KVL of in this circuit. Okay, and solve this equation. And so this is the differentiation equation, and this is the linear differentiation equation. Okay, and then with the complementary function. Okay, the particular solution for this equation is 0. For this is the type of differential equation is that T is equal to 0, I is equal to V upon R, T is equal to e की power 0 is that 1, and V upon R is equal to C. This is the value of C, right? The current equation become I is equal to V upon R e की power minus T upon RC. When S is closed, the response decay with the time. This is the decay time. Okay, and the quantity RC is the time constant, the value of, and the denoted tau is equal to RC. When the 5 time the curve reaches 99% of the final value. Okay, we can find out the voltage across each element by using the current equation. So the voltage across the resistor VR is equal to IR, then R, and the value of I is this. Solve this equation. The value of V e raised to minus 1 upon RC, right? So the graph is VC. The value of VC is reached to an initial value to the final value. Okay, this is the graph of VC. And now we will find the voltage across the capacitor. Sorry, this is the value of RC. The graph is RC, decay time, right? And we will find the value of VC, voltage across the capacitor. VC 1 upon C I of dt, right? Put the value of I and solve this equation. And finally, we will get the value of VC, V 1 minus e raised to T upon RC, right? So this is the value of VC. The graph of VC is this. This is an initial value to the final value. Okay, and now we will find the power in the capacitor and power in the resistor. Now we will find power in the resistor. P is equal to VI. The value of V is this. Value of V is VR and value of I is this. Solve this equation and value of PR is this. This is the value of PR. Okay. So the graph of the PR is this. In this graph, response decay with time. Okay. And now we will discuss power in the capacitor. P is equal to VI and the value of VC is this and value of I is this. Solve this equation and value of PC V square upon R e raised to T upon RC minus e raised to 2T upon RC. Okay. The graph of this, sometime it is reached to initial value to the final value, and then in this the response decay with time. Okay, this is a graph of PC.